Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for August, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us align, we have Malachite. Malachite is known as the stone of transformation, and it is one of the most powerful crystals for bringing what is hidden to the surface. It supports deep emotional awareness, the recognition of patterns, and the kind of honest clarity that month 9 asks of us. If there is something in your life that you have been avoiding seeing, Malachite will help you see it, gently but clearly. Hold it during reflection or journaling. Use it when you're ready to face something honestly, or keep it nearby as you work through a period of personal growth. Malachite encourages you to see clearly what is ready to change, and to trust what it reveals is ultimately for your highest good. To help us release, we have Apache Tears. Apache Tears are one of the most deeply compassionate stones in the crystal world for emotional healing and release. They carry the energy of gentleness, grief processing, and letting go without feeling overwhelmed. These stones have a long and meaningful history as companions for loss and grief, and they bring a softness to the release process that makes even the hardest endings feel more bearable. Hold them during emotional moments when you feel the weight of what you're letting go. Keep them nearby for comfort and quiet support. Use them when you feel the need to release but aren't sure how. Apache Tears remind you that letting go is an act of love, not weakness. To help us get anchored, we have Bloodstone. Bloodstone couldn't be more fitting for a month that asks you to close one chapter and step into the next. It carries the energy of grounding, strength, and resilience, and it activates the inner courage that sometimes gets buried under fear or grief. Bloodstone supports emotional strength, stability during change, and the quiet determination to keep moving forward even when the path ahead isn't fully visible yet. Hold it when making decisions about your next steps, keep it nearby during times of transition, or carry it as a daily reminder of your own strength. Bloodstone reminds you that you are more resilient than you know, and that you are fully capable of stepping into whatever comes next.